Kangaroo. Do you know about an AI-powered personal assistance cum vehicle? Kangaroo is the three-wheeled personal mobility vehicle that is autonomous assistance as well as a self-driving vehicle. The concept of Kangaroo is based on horses. The inbuilt sonic system and sensory functions generate pulses via the saddle to allow the rider to sense the current speed by haptics, as there is no display. It features two modes, namely Roid mode and Ride mode. When in Roid mode, it can be operated via a tablet and it follows the rider through autonomous navigation. The maximum speed of Kangaroo is 10 km per hour. The smart stop function eradicates the situation of collision. It features Can Slam for generating 3D maps using sensor data. Nera. Have you heard about the first fully 3D printed e-bike, Nera? It is a new era in 3D printing. This era began with the idea to revolutionize mobility and make the entire production with 3D printing. The control system, motor, battery and cable are electric and not printed. It also features customized tread-printed airless tires. It features 8 pivot points instead of fork steering. The arch structure in the front tire ensures a smooth and soft ride. Nera features a flexible bumper, an alternative to suspension for smooth ride. AliA. AliA is a futuristic e-bike that can be transformed into 4 modes as per the requirement. These modes are vehicle mode for cruising, kickboard mode to enjoy moving the body powered by a motor, cart mode for carrying things from one place to another, and carry mode by folding into a compact size. It is a 3-wheeled compact electric mobility vehicle. It features robotics-based intelligent safety technology that helps in detecting all obstacles and automatically controls the brakes and reduces speed. Also, in the event of malfunctioning, it will go into emergency stop mode. This neo-futuristic vehicle is developed to ensure safety and easy handling. Trefecta. If you are an adventurous person, Trifecta can go through almost all types of terrains. It challenges the off-road trail and is also a fast and relaxed solution for inter-urban use. It is the most powerful e-bike, offering the most value-based performance, design and range. It features a 1350 Wh battery pack, offering a range of 200 km with a maximum speed of 45 km per hour. Smart battery technology in combination with Formula One inspires a regenerative braking system, ensuring a remarkable range. An integrated smartphone dock ensures the highest functionality and helps in maintaining control. The approximate price range of this unique bike is around 10,000 euros. The Piaggio PAM. Isn't it amazing if you can ride a bike without wearing a helmet? Piaggio PAM is the conceptual vehicle that can be driven without a helmet. It is designed with piezoelectric material that is used in a PC mouse. The structure of Piaggio PAM offers enough space to carry briefcases, skis, etc. The extended windshield above the driver's head produces electricity when exposed to UV light and displays navigation, maps, etc. The arch structure of the vehicle ensures straight movement along, with an option to calibrate seat height. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Comment below which bike you liked the most and stay tuned for many such videos. Thank you.